back. Now, a pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca has admitted that its COVID vaccine can cause rare side effects. AstraZeneca, in its significant turn, has admitted for the first time in court documents that its COVID-19 vaccine may lead to a rare side effect. There have been media reports as well as far as the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID vaccine that was sold globally under the names of Covishield, among others. The pharmaceutical company now faces a class action lawsuit alleging serious injuries and deaths resulting from its vaccine developed in collaboration with the University of Oxford. However, when it comes to the politics surrounding it, there are questions already by a Congress party leader that has been raised, and that too against the BJP and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that during the COVID pandemic, it was Covishield, the vaccine that was given to several individuals across the country, and if it can lead to rare side effects, then it would be an issue of concern. However, we have Akansha with us right now. This admission in court that is now also been taken up, Akansha, the Serum Institute of India has also said that there is no case of rare side effect, TTS, that was even ever found in India.
Well, absolutely. If you remember, AstraZeneca had partnered with Serum Institute of India to supply its vaccine to the Indian government, and that was manufactured and sold as Covishield, which was taken by more than half of the population of India. And now AstraZeneca has admitted in a high court in United Kingdom that in fact the COVID injections led to the rare side effects, and these rare side effects are TTS, thrombosis with thrombocytopenia syndrome is what it is called, and that leads to blood clot and also low blood platelet count. They are facing a lot of lawsuits, 51 cases registered against them back in United Kingdom. But here, as soon as this news report came up and admission of AstraZeneca came to fore, Indians who took Covishield got quite worried. We also spoke to Serum Institute of India, and they said that no case of TTS in India has ever been reported. And in fact, the admission that this injection leads to this rare side effect, that is TTS, is nothing new. This has always been in the public domain. So this is what Serum Institute of India has said. They are the one who manufactured Covishield here in India. But
so there is no case of raising an alarm or a concern there, because Serum Institute of India says that there is no case of rare side effects, TTS, that has ever been reported in India. And it has always been, however this information is concerned, been always in the public domain. Thank you for the moment, Akansha, for joining in. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.